Happy Friday, parents. Today is January 29th, and we had a great week in third grade. We really enjoyed the sunshine today. We got to have an extra recess this afternoon, so we got some extra fresh air and got some of the extra wiggles out after working so hard this week. This week in reading, we focused on looking at informational text again. We compared two texts on the same topic and dug into things such as text features and author's purpose of text. In writing, we finalized an opinion writing about whether circus animals should perform in the circus. So check on your students' Google Drive, and they have some great work in there that they have worked really hard on. In core knowledge, we finished our habitats unit, and the students took their habitats assessment today and did a really great job. We were really proud of all the effort they put in on this quiz today. And finally, in math, we continued trucking along with fractions. I noticed that on a lot of the Friday letters home, that fractions were something that were challenging a lot of the kiddos, but I have to say that they are working really hard to push through those challenges and doing a really great job. And for the 8 Keys of Excellence this week also, we focused on ownership. We had a little bit of a discussion just about how we get to have the ownership on our own work each day. We get to choose how much effort we put in. We get to choose whether we ask questions and participate. So we really worked on showing ownership in our work. Some upcoming events include our totem pole project, which we're really excited about. Please look in your child's Friday folder for a yellow packet, and you will hear all about the about the totem pole project. This project will be done at home for the craft portion of it. The totem pole will be created at home. It can be as simple as a paper towel roll or as extravagant as using welding tools, whatever you want. The kids can use their imagination, and please don't feel like it has to be an expensive project by any means. It is just basically summarizing a book using symbols and putting it into a totem pole so that we can then use cross-content studies of totem poles with our Native American unit for core knowledge and summarizing text with our reading for our reading standard. And so it's a great way to really enjoy the core knowledge topic of Native Americans. Also, Valentine's Day party, just a reminder, that is on February 11th, right before our little 5-day weekend from not having school, February 12th through the 16th. And then that Friday will be when we host the Totem Pole Project presentations via Zoom. So read the email for those. Also, there are some spots available still for spring conferences. Remember, those are optional, so don't feel like you have to sign up unless you have a question, a comment, or a concern that you would like to chat about, or if I emailed you personally. Other than that, it was a great week, and we appreciate everything you're doing to help these kids work really hard. They're getting their homework done. They're staying motivated and coming to school happy and motivated each day. Have a great weekend.